turn on so that recording.
मैम वो कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ पे कैमरा ऑन नहीं हो रहा है तो मैं
That day?
यस मैम.
Okay, fine. Let's begin.
Okay. A very good evening to everyone. I am Nitisha Soni and I am very thankful to Khushbu ma'am for giving me an opportunity for presenting some words on my favorite place, Jaipur. I am telling about Jaipur, my my favorite place. Jaipur became known as the Pink City when in 1876 Maharaja Ram Singh had most of the building painted pink. It is one of the earliest planned cities of modern India, designed by Vidyodhar Bhattacharya. The famous food in Jaipur are dal bati, churma, ghevar, kulfi, and pyaz kachori. Jaipur is one of the India's architecture marvels. Jaipur is famous for renowned globally for its colored gem. And the Jaipur is the is also the capital of Rajasthan. Jal Mahal and Hawa Mahal is one of the most wonderful sights in Jaipur. The beautiful Jal Mahal or Lake Palace are the hotels of Jaipur, famous hotels. The light sand colored stone walls. The palace appears to float in the center of Man Sagar Lake. The famous personality of Jaipur is Shah Begum, Daulatman, Daulatman Bhandari, and Vikrant Bhargava, and so on.
Okay.
Bandi, Dhund, Savi are the famous rivers of Jaipur. Jantar, Jantar Mantar in Jaipur, is considered to be the largest of the 5 astronomical observatories building by Maharaja Savar Jai Singh II, the founder of Jaipur. Thank you, friends, for listening me.
Nice. Okay, fine. So this is all about Nitisha's presentation on Jaipur, right? Very nice. She liked some other city where she lives. She lives in Madhya Pradesh, but she's liking a city in Rajasthan. That is really wonderful. And she has collected a lot of information, which is all new, especially for the people who never went there or who have never read about it, right? We know the name Jaipur, Pink City. Other than this, we don't know much things, right? Okay, next person. Very good, Itisha. It's a nice example you gave to your batchmates. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next.
What was the topic?
You should have checked the group now. You should have put a message in the group, Shilpa, so that you could come prepared. Actually, the topic is my hometown or my city or my favorite place. So I shared the vocabulary in the group also. You have to use those vocabs, words, sentences, and then you have to present your topic. See, whenever I share
yes, I checked the group.
Sorry?
I checked the group, but I'm not able to see any topic for the discussion.
It is not discussion. It is a presentation, by the way. And see, it is given here now. Yesterday, I shared it 9:30 around. After just finishing the class, see, it is here colorful.
But it's a PDF for words. So,
Come on, you're giving some lame excuse, huh? You're giving just the excuse which will never work.
No,
See,
no, no, no.
if you miss any class, okay, you will wait for a recording, fine. But when you get anything related to any PDF, generally I share the PDF because Word files are quite disturbing sometimes. They can be edited also. So I send the PDF. Whenever I send a PDF, right? Every time I expect that if you are absent and if you want to have the class next day, then you will ask what to do with the PDFs. Now, what happens? Sometimes hurriedly, I am not able to type that this is the topic because I feel everybody knows.
Yes,
So you are
actually,
learning.
this is misunderstanding from my side,
I'm
my
not
bad.
able.
But
I'm.
आपने वो
Your voice is
topic
unclear.
ऐड नहीं.
Your voice is unclear.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just 1 minute. Yeah, please start. Good evening, ma'am, and good evening, everyone. I would, I would like to pay my sincere thanks to respected ma'am for to provide me this opportunity to the perform here. Now let me introduce my hometown, Satna. I have completed my study, I have completed my graduation from Indira Gandhi Girls College. It's Satna. This college started from colonial rule of Britishers. Okay. Satna is the city in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. It is seventh largest city and eighth most populous city of the state. The city is 500 kilometers east of the state capital Bhopal. Satna is limestone belts of India. As a result, contributes around 8 to 9% of total cement production. There is an abundance of dolomite and limestone in the area, and the has 10 cement factories producing and exporting cement to other parts of country. The electrical cables company Universal Cables in Satna, the Satna city of the city of Satna is known as the commercial capital of Baghelkhand. Right. And Satna is known as the cement city of India. And Maihar is the most famous place in Satna. Maihar is very famous temple. This temple is Trikut Hills, where Mata Sati's necklace fell. That is why it is called Maihar. There are total 1065 stairs. The distance between Satna and Maihar is 35 kilometers. So that's all about my hometown. Thanks to listen to me carefully. Very nice, very nice. Again, we know Maihar, we know Satna. milestone, this and limestone, pearlstone. We know all this, but the things you have told me, which I did not, right? So whenever your purpose is solved, when you give information which the listeners do not know, then means I was listening because I really did not know. I did not know that Mayer named because of that. Very nice. And you
But
have spoken the history, geography, commercial usage, right? And of course, this is also very interesting to know that Bagelkhand region, Satna is one of the important city, right? So Riva, Satna, these two are sisters and very famous, right? Very nice, Kiran ma'am, very nice information you gave. Okay, fine. Deepti ma'am is also ready, I guess. If you are ready, you can just start.
yes, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I talk about to my hometown. I am from Vidisha. It is located in MP. My hometown is Vidisha. It is a district. There have many mall and hospital. People and children are very helpful in Vidisha. There are many famous places like Sanchi, Raisen and Gyaraspur. The Betwa is famous river in Vidisha. There are famous tourists near Vidisha like Maladevi Temple, Cave of Udaygiri and Sanchi Stoop. It is a small and lovely city. मैम मैंने इतना ही किया.
There is one more famous place, Satdhara Stupa, right? Satdhara or Sadhara. Some of the stupa is also there in,
जी मैम.
है ना? Once we went to
जी.
picnic, from Paramount only, we went to picnic to that place, Satdhara. And yes, Vidisha looks so beautiful when you see in the rain. And also famous for some other places like Salamutpur is there, right? Very famous area. And then we also have some one or two famous places, I guess, which cities especially where we receive students in Bhopal also. You know, they come for their degree studies and all, right?
जी मैम.
And I also know that Vidisha people do shopping from Bhopal also.
जी मैम.
Yes, yes, very nice. So Vidisha is, of course, that is a place where you can say that one famous engineering college is also there, correct? And
जी मैम.
that is also government college, I guess. It's very famous. And students
जी.
from Bhopal get the seats there, and they every day they commute there by
जी.
bus and train. And I still remember my chemistry teacher in my school belonged to Vidisha,
जी मैम.
and he always used to come late, or sometimes he did not come because of Betwa river's extra flowing in
जी.
rainy season.
जी मैम.
Right, right. Okay, fine, fine. This is what I know about Vidisha, but yes. And again, Vidisha has other places also, very nearby places also. And again, Bundelkhandi is spoken in Vidisha,
जी मैम.
the language, right? Part of Bundelkhand, yes. Okay, fine.
जी.
Next, we have Ritu ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Good evening, everybody. I tell my about my city, Bhopal. The name of my city is Bhopal. It is also known as City of Lake. It is the capital city of state MP. And this city also have to lot of good place to visit. For example, most famous lake view, also known Bada Talab, and lake view.
The food of Bhopal is very famous. Near Bhopal, there are many places to visit. One of them is Pachmani. It has all new technology and features. It has many college and educational institute. Ma'am, इतना ही बोली. Thank you for listening.
Right. When you finish it, we understand that now topic is being finished. Nice. Bada Talab is also known as Upper Lake.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Bada Talab is known as Upper Lake, which is water source, drinking water source for everybody. We also have a river called Kaliyasot River, which is also one of the resources for drinking water, right? Irrigation and all. And ma'am has actually spoken about it. But we have got very good history of, Bhopal, because Bhopal, as Lucknow is known as the city of Nawabs. Most of the Nawabs lived there, ruled there, and Tehzeeb, the discipline or the etiquettes, everything is famous. When you talk about Bhopal, Bhopal used to be the hill station for British when they came. So what happened when they came here in Bhopal? Before that, they visited Chhindwara, right? They visited Chhindwara and Pachmadi, and then they made their guest house, rest houses there, because the places are very cool, right? In Chhindwara also, and Pachmadi is the coolest one because of hills. So Bhopal also became the same type of picnic spot for the, British, first thing. Second thing, we have very famous begums. One of the begums is Sajida Sultan. Now, Sajida Sultan is Sajida Sultan Pataudi. She got married to Pataudi of Haryana, Iftikhar Khan, Ali Khan Pataudi, and he is the great grandfather of Saif Ali Khan. That's why Bhopal has a history that Jahanuma, Nurus Sabha, Gaur Mahal, the properties, Hamidia College including, belongs to the property of Saif Ali Khan. So Hamidia College now went to government, right? Because of college, medical college. Hamidia College is named after the Nawab Hamidullah Khan, who is the father of Sajida Begum. Okay, and Sajida Begum had a sister also. I forget the name. And she was the eldest sister. She got married somewhere in near Lahore or somewhere. And then during partition, she did not come back. She lived there only. And who became the final heir or the final varis, right? There is a word, H-E-I-R, heir. Heir matlab hota hai varis. H silent hota hai isme, right? So that particular Begum did not come back when partition happened. Because she got married there and she did not want to return to India. Partitioned India, Bharat, Hindustan. And now if you know the connection, then there is the Pakistan Prime Minister, current Prime Minister is Imran Khan. So Imran Khan is the son of the same. So now if Imran Khan wants, can take the property of Bhopal also, but he cannot because he is not a citizen of India. So this is how Bhopal is connected to Pakistan also, and Muslims also, Hindus also, and moreover Sindhis also. When partition happened, Sindhis came from Lahore, from that Baluchistan area to Bhopal and made their home. Now you see the Baragarh area, the old, that side area somewhere, correct? That is all Sindhi area. So you will see Sindhi culture in Bhopal, Bhopali culture in Bhopal, Then we have people from all over Madhya Pradesh in Bhopal, including Bihar, because of colleges. There is one educational hub of in Bhopal, which is MP Nagar, and very famous area in all over Madhya Pradesh among students. Because you see, all small coaching, 2 big coachings are there in MP Nagar. Many offices are there. Many government offices are also there, including Board Office and Food Corporation of India. Right? We also have BRTS, Bala Sahab Thackeray bus stand, bus terminal. Actually, it is also there. And you see that India's first metro is also starting in Bhopal itself. Oh, sorry, Madhya Pradesh first, metro. So if you see Bhopal, yes, it is the capital city and looks very beautiful, especially in rain and winter. Winters are very beautiful in Bhopal, very beautiful. Okay, fine. This information I gave you so that you should also know about it, right? Next is Shilpa. Yeah, Shilpa.
Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I am Shilpa Chaudhary, and my topic is my favorite city, or I like city. So I would say I'm talking about Banaras because in last year I visited Banaras with my family. So I love this city so much. And Banaras is the city in northern India, the state of UP, dating to the 11th century, and regard spiritual city of India. It is the known as the spiritual city of India. Draws Hindus pilgrims who bath in the Ganga rivers. In this city, we also known as we have a Jyotirling, one of the most famous Jyotirling in Banaras, which is known as Kashi Vishwanath Golden Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, our Hindus god Lord Shiva, and along with in Kasi, uh, there are 2000 temples there in the cities, along with the Kasi temples. And Banaras is also known as Varanasi and Kasi. Kasi is the ancient name, and it is a 3000-year-old city. And Banaras, it is the oldest living city in the world. In Varanasi, it has a nearby place called Sarnath, where Lord Buddha gives his first sermons. And Varanasi is also famous for production of silk and brocade with gold and silver threads. So Varanasi is the most even oldest city in the world. And when I visited the city, I love the city. There is peace, and there is a positivity in the city. I like so much till now. I also visited Mahakaleshwar, but I love the city Varanasi. That's all from mine. Thanks to listening to me, everyone.
Nice. Very good. Very good. It is the one of the oldest cities in the world, Banaras from India. One of the oldest, so all the oldest city, Banaras is one of them. Nowadays, it is named Varanasi. Its political name, its written name is Varanasi. It is also known as Kashi. That's why we have Kashi Vishwanath, right? About Banaras, there is a ghat called Manikarnika Ghat. It is said about it that if somebody's body is, crematized there, I will not say burned, crematized, Antim Sanskar. So when it is crematized there, that directly goes to the moksha. So people do not get chance, of course, all the people do not get chance to go and do it. But yes, it is said. Holy Ganga river, the biggest river in India, and one of the biggest rivers in Asia, flows here at Varanasi, and we know the view and everything, right? There was a time when Ganga in Varanasi was most polluted. And the last pollution stopped to the Ganga Sagar area, which is in Hooghly River in Kolkata. The dirtiest, Ganga's dirtiest part is Hooghly in West Bengal, Kolkata. I saw that. So it's very dirty. Now, Pradhan Mantri PM Narendra Modi started a project called Namami Gange. And